In this how-to tutorial, I will show you how to open a 100% deposit bonus account on TradeLocker. Once we are logged in, we will click the Open Live Account button here at the top. Under the Account category, we will select TradeLocker and then click Continue. Under the Account Type dropdown, we will select 100% Deposit Bonus TradeLocker and click Continue. Then review the details and click Continue. On the following screen, you will see your account login details, and they will also be sent to you via email. Next, I will click the Funds tab from the menu and then select Transfer Funds from the dropdown. On the Transfer From account, I will choose my wallet. On the Transfer To account, I will choose my 100% deposit bonus account for TradeLocker and then click Continue. I will type in the amount I wish to transfer and then click Continue. Review the details and then click Continue. You can now see that my equity shows 200 even though I only deposited 100 to my account. This allows me to trade with double the capital, double the margin, and double my position size, allowing me to scale my account faster. Thanks for watching, and be sure to browse our other how-to videos to ensure you get the most out of your trading experience with GatesFX.